welcome to Lingerie Lowdown. I'm here with Dolly today to do some more duo reviews, and we have lots and lots of interesting items to review.
Today's trend is ladies of lace. So obviously we've both got some nice lacy legwear.
Very lacy.
What have you got? Oh, they're both by Gipsy, so the same brand.
The brand is Gipsy.
Have you worn Gipsy before?
I think so, yeah.
I think I wore some with Sophia Smith.
I think I was impressed from what I can remember. So that is what the packaging looks like.
So yours are tights and mine are footless tights or leggings. So mine have got a little tog. There you go.
Yeah, perfect.
And that waistband seems to have sorted itself out as well. That looks quite normal there.
It does.
So I'd give it, personally, I'd give it a 10 because it fits me perfectly. Yeah. So if you're 5'2" and a size 10, it's a 10 out of 10.
I never get one size because there's so many different sizes out there.
Me and Angel did some duo reviews that we were just trying on one size items, then we were